Do you want to make your Facebook posts and social media bios stand out with stylish fonts? Since most platforms don't support custom text natively, I'll show you a simple trick to post bold, italic, fancy, and unique fonts on any device, Mac, phone, or a PC. Just copy, paste, and impress. Let's dive in. On your Mac or a PC, open a new tab and go to this website. Link will be in the description. Once you land to this website, you will see tons of different fonts, styles, bold, italic, and here are all the categories you want to choose. In this text box, you need to write or simply copy and paste. In my case, I'm gonna paste this quote here, and here are different styles. But if I go to my Facebook, type here the same one, you see it will support only the native font, but once I go to this website, paste any text here, no matter it's larger, I can paste it 10 times, like this one. Then you need to choose from these categories. There are so many emojis, classified, and mini text. Once you scroll down, you will see a lot of different styles. I don't like this one, but so many people still post on Facebook like that. So from this list, you choose the one you like, and here is a copy button. Just click on copy. Now go to Facebook and create a new post. Look at this one. You paste it, and it's the same one. Now you can hit on next button and post. Look at this one. This post has been published with the new font. Let's quickly get another example. This time I'm writing a new quote, and here is a strike code. So many people post content like this. Copy, go to Facebook, paste it. Here you go. Here you got a post with this kind of text. Now let's go to the mobile phone. On your mobile phone, open Safari or Chrome and paste the same website link. The link will be again in the description. Go to this website, simply write your text here, make the necessary adjustments. Now scroll down and you will see all kind of text. You can also go to top 3 dots. Here you can choose the style you like. In my example, I'm gonna copy this one. Go to Facebook, create a new post. Now paste. And look at this. Next, post. Your Facebook post is looking unique, different from all other users on Facebook. So this is how you can make it. And if you want to post it on Instagram or any other place, it will work like that. Now, I'm here on my Instagram, and here is a picture. I just want to give this caption. Hit OK. You will see the caption is in this font. Now, if I share, you will see the caption. It's in a different font, in a different style. So this is how you can stylize your posts with the new captions and new fonts. If you didn't subscribe, then do it today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.